Hi, I'm Dr. Katie Avalar, and today we'll discuss why cats vomit. A really common appointment I see on my schedule every day is a cat coming in for vomiting. Understandably, cat parents want to know, how do I get my cat to stop vomiting? And before we answer that, we need to figure out why he's vomiting in the first place. Figuring out why a cat is vomiting is not always an easy task. We usually use a series of questions along with diagnostic testing, like blood work, x-rays, ultrasounds, and sometimes even sampling or biopsies of the intestinal tract. Just a few of the many questions we want to know when discussing vomiting is: when is it happening? What time of day? Is it right after a meal or before a meal? How does our cat's body look when they're vomiting? Is it a really active process with an abdominal component? Or do they just kind of open their mouth and it comes out? What exactly is in the vomit? Is it digested food, undigested food? Is it just bile? Is it a hairball? How are they acting before and after they vomit? Are they really energetic, active, and acting like themselves? Or are they lethargic and sick? Do they have any other clinical signs? Are they having diarrhea? Are they coughing? These things are important to know in figuring out what the cause of vomiting may be. Sometimes as cat parents, we brush off our vomiting cat and we say, oh, it's probably just a hairball. But if it's happening more than once a week, or our cat is acting sick, then we should definitely consult with our vets. Because a normal cat's intestinal tract should be able to handle a hairball, unless one of two things is going on. They either have a really long coat with thick fur that their intestines just can't handle, or they have some other disease process going on, like, for example, inflammatory bowel disease, and their body isn't able to digest that hairball. As a doctor working up a case for a vomiting cat, I usually piece together the answers to the important questions along with the results of the diagnostic tests I ran to get a complete picture of what's going on so that we can get started on treatments. And since there are so many potential causes of vomiting, to name a few: stress, infections, parasites, inflammation, cancers, constipation, systemic diseases, intestinal diseases, thick fur coats. All of these are just a few of the many reasons a cat may vomit. And because there's so many causes for vomiting, there's also so many treatments. We might use medication, dietary changes, surgery, supportive treatments, environmental changes, or it might be as simple as brushing our cats out every day. Hopefully I gave you some clues as to why your cat may be vomiting, but it's an important question to discuss with your vet. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe to our channel. We post new cat care videos every Monday. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.